Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Soundboard to Discord server. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up Discord and then just click on your specific server. And then once you're in here, just go ahead over to the top left and then click on your server name. Then in here, go ahead and find server settings. Okay, so click on it. Now the left panel here, we have Soundboard. So just click on it, then go ahead and upload a sound. Click on this button. Now choose a file, click on browse, and then in here, just go ahead and go to the directory where your sound or sound clip is located. Okay, say for example, this one right here. Click on it and click on open. Now make sure that your sound right here is only about 4 seconds, because if it exceeds 4 seconds, you won't be able to upload it. Okay, give it a name. For example, this one, and then click on upload. All right. Add in some more if you want to. And by the way, if you cannot, or if you don't know how to trim, just use these points right here. Okay. And trim your audio. All right. Upload. You can add in some emoji if you want to. Browse. Just like so. Okay. Upload. Edit it if you want to. Just right here. Like that one. This one right here. That one. Adjust the sound volume if you want to. And then close this one. Join a call. Find your soundboard. And just select from one of your soundboards, okay? You have Discord sounds here as well. There you have it. That's how simple it is to add Soundboard to a Discord server. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.